Hey y'all, welcome to our spring edition of Sips of the Season. The weather is gorgeous outside, so it's time to make our 3 drinks. Our first one is going to be a mocktail. It is a hibiscus mango refresher. We have a lavender guava garden, and we're finishing it with a cherry passion pop. If you want to learn how to make these drinks, I know you do. Stay tuned. So our first drink is gonna be a hibiscus mango refresher. It is a beautiful drink. It is delicious, it is fruity, and I'm gonna tell y'all about the ingredients. So our base is going to be a guava nectar. We have lime juice, we have a splash of hibiscus syrup, and then of course, our mango soda as the topper. Of course, we're gonna have our ice and then garnishments. Our first step is picking out a beautiful glass. I selected this one because I love the detailing all around. And we're gonna change this up. We're gonna start with our garnishment first. We're gonna put this around the bottom of the drink and then add our ice. So I like to have something interesting, so we're gonna use our kiwi slices. Make sure you clean it really good if you're gonna keep the skin on it. I scrub these pretty good. And we're just gonna put this around the base of the interior of the glass. And typically it'll stick to the glass. And if it doesn't, the ice in the middle is gonna push it to the outside. We're gonna add our ice. As you can see, I still haven't got an ice maker yet, so hopefully on the next video. And again, refresher, mocktail, very easy. We can build it in the glass. And so we have our garnishment first. We're gonna add our guava nectar. We're gonna add a little bit of our lime juice. We're gonna do a splash of the hibiscus. I feel like my splashes are like pours. I need to work on that. And then we're gonna top with our mango soda. I like that noise. We can stir, but I kind of like to turn it a little bit just to get it to blend. And this is our hibiscus mango refresher. I'm gonna try it to make sure it's delicious. I know it is, but just in case you're doubting. I love it. I love guava flavored anything. It is such a good spring flavor. So you definitely wanna add this to your spring mocktail list. Everybody's gonna love it. Cheers. Oh wait, stay tuned. We got our next cocktail. All right, are we ready for our second cocktail? Of course you are, I answered for you. We are doing a lavender guava garden. I told y'all I love guava, so we're incorporating it in this drink. We're gonna go through our ingredients and then we're gonna make it. So we are starting off with gin. We have our guava nectar. We have another splash of lavender. And then we're gonna top it with a peach bellini spritz. And this is really good. Oh, I forgot to mention, we also have lime juice. So let's go ahead and build our cocktail. We're starting with our shaker, and then we're going to add our gin. We're going to add our guava. We are adding our lemon juice. And again, all the ingredients, I always share it in the description box. So leave me a comment if you have a question about any of these ingredients. We're doing our splash of lavender syrup. Okay. For a second, I couldn't open it. Oops, okay. We'll do a splash. That wasn't me. I think it just, there was extra in there, but that's enough. And then we're gonna add our ice. and shake. Now we get our glassware. This one is going to be in a coupe. And again, a beautiful glass makes a delicious drink. We're going to strain. This is probably for 2 servings. We're going to strain our cocktail into the coupe. Give me a second. I can't open this. I stuck this on really good. Holy, cut the camera. I need help. No, I seriously can't get it off. I got it. Wink. So we're gonna strain this into our coupe. And like I said, this is enough for 2 servings. And then we're gonna top with our peach spritz. Open it here. And that's like one of my favorite things are peach bellinis, so this is perfect for springtime. Perfect. And then again, one of my favorite things, garnishments. We're gonna add raspberries and edible flowers. Actually, let me move this out of the way. We're gonna add 2 raspberries. Then I have some edible flowers. We are going to delicately place. There we go. It took me a minute, but perfection. And this is our Lavender Guava Garden. Let me try it. Okay, I think I might like, oh, I can't, okay, I always say I like all the drinks or it's my favorite, but I really like this one. It is so balanced, it's not too sweet. The lavender syrup really gives it a little hint of floral, which is delicious. And it looks good. So, I'm gonna sip on this, we're gonna reset, and we're gonna do our 3rd cocktail. Cheers. So we are here for our 3rd drink. This is a cherry passion pop. You have finally made it. Congrats to you. This is gonna be a delicious, vibrant drink with a little bit of bubbly. And let's get into the ingredients. We have our tequila, we have lime juice, we have our club soda. You can always use a cava, a prosecco, or another flavorful bubble. I prefer club soda for this drink. We have one of my favorites. It's gonna be a sour cherry schnapps, and then our passion fruit puree. So let's build our cocktail. We have our shaker. We're going to add our tequila. We're gonna add our lime juice. We're going to add our sour cherry schnapps. I think this also is a good ingredient if you're gonna make a Shirley Temple, but like a dirty Shirley, and then add a little splash of cream to it. That might be on the next Sips of the Season, so stay tuned for that. Oops. We're going to add about 1.5 ounces. It's gonna change the color. Very vibrant. We're just gonna leave it on the floor. And then we're gonna add a splash of our passion fruit puree. Let me shake it up. There we go. We're gonna add ice. reminds me of those cherry bomb pops, just like the cherry side of it, at least with the color. And we're going to shake. Make sure it's on. Pretty good. Here we go. That's such a pretty color. Okay, now we are going to take our beautiful glassware, add more ice. It's okay if I make a mess. I'll clean it up later. There we go. We're going to strain. I'm gonna move this extra ice. And we're going to top with our club soda. And then for our final garnishments, pause. I'm gonna go grab it and then we're gonna finish. Okay, so I have our garnishes. We have an edible leaf sheet. That's probably gonna disintegrate when we put it in the liquid. Well, not disintegrate, but it's going to melt into it, hopefully. We'll see. Here it goes. And then we're gonna add some strawberries, just a couple of slices. And we have our cherry passion pop. Cheers. Ooh, I really like this. Okay, we're gonna do some more drinks with the sour cherry schnapps. It's very good. Cheers. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these cocktails and mocktail with me. I hope you decide to make them. If you do, be sure to tag me. I would love to see and get your feedback. Again, all the ingredients are gonna be in the description box. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. But before you leave, I would love for you to like and subscribe to the channel and so we can connect. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.